I'm Tristan, Inspection Solution Engineer. We're going to walk you through how DJI Matrice 400 fits into very different world without putting a single person at risk.
Alright, Tristan. So let's talk about inspection.
Okay.
So maybe let's start with Fujairah. So what did that look like before drones came into place?
Yeah. So traditionally, telecom tower inspection was very hands-on. You have technicians physically climbing the tower, usually with basic inspection kits, cameras, and sometimes handheld zoom lenses. In places like Fujairah, when you've got tall structures, coastal winds, heat, and pretty tough access conditions, just getting to the top safely was already a big part of the job. The challenges were fairly consistent across the board. First was safety. Every inspection meant a full climb, so there's always that inherent risk factor. Then there's a time. A full inspection of a single tower would easily take 4 to 6 hours, sometimes longer, depending on the structure. And finally, reporting. A lot of it was still manual. So image quality, coverage, and wayfindings were documented. It all depended on the individual technician. That naturally created inconsistencies. And sometimes teams would need to follow up just to clarify what was actually seen on site.
Right. So before you even start analyzing anything, you've already invested hours just getting the data.
Exactly. And that's really the key point. That inspection itself wasn't the hard part. It was everything around it. Access, repetition, and making sure the data was actually consistent enough to use.
Interesting. So when you move the DJI Matrice 400 workflow in Fujairah, what actually changed on the ground?
The biggest shift was simple. We didn't need to climb the tower anymore. Instead, we fly structured missions around the tower using pre-planned flight paths. So the drone essentially wraps that structure in a controlled orbit or grid pattern, depending on the asset. And in one flight, we're collecting both high-resolution optical footage and thermal data at the same time.
And that changes what you do actually as well. So not just how you do it fast.
Yeah. Completely. Because now, you're not just looking at the tower visually, you're also seeing how it behaves thermally. For example, with the M400 with H30T thermal, you can pick up small temperature differences across components. Things like early stage overheating, power irregularities, or stress points in equipment that wouldn't be visible in standard imagery.
So basically catching the issues before it even started, right?
Exactly. That's the big shift. From reacting after something breaks to spotting early warning signs before it becomes a service issue. And the optical zoom side is also important. We can get really detailed imagery of bolts, mounts, cable runs, all of that without ever needing physically go near the structure.
Alright, so quick question. And once you have captured everything, what happens next?
So after the flight, we bring everything into DJI Terra. That's where we rebuild the tower digitally, generating a 3D model from the imagery. It gives you full spatial representation of the asset. So you're not just looking at the photos anymore, you're looking at the measurable structure you can actually work with.
Which means you can start comparing inspection over time.
Yeah, exactly. And that's where it gets really powerful, because once you've got multiple models from different dates, you can start seeing change, even subtle ones. Everything sits in one place. So teams can go back, compare, inspection, annotate issues directly on the model, and coordinate maintenance without having to dig through separate reports or files. And once it's repeatable and measurable, you're no longer just doing inspection. You're building a continuous understanding of how the asset is performing over time.
If you're working in inspection, public safety, or anywhere in between, subscribe, leave a comment telling us what specific challenge you are trying to resolve. We read them. And if you want to talk about how Matrice 400 helps into your specific operation, contact us at sales@aerosmart.ae. Our solution engineer will be happy to assist you. We do this every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.